In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from GeForce Now if you no longer use a particular card or payment option, or you simply want to keep your account information up to date. Removing an old payment method from GeForce Now is a quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign into your NVIDIA account and go to GeForce Now. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before making any billing changes, especially if you use more than one email or NVIDIA profile. Once you're in the GeForce Now area of your account, look for the Billing or Account Management section where your saved payment details are stored. Next, open Payment Methods. This is the section that shows the cards or payment options currently linked to your GeForce Now account. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you remove the correct one, especially if you have multiple saved methods that may look similar. After that, click Update. This will allow you to manage the payment methods already saved to your account. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. On some devices, the layout may look slightly different, but the option names should remain essentially the same. Now find the payment method you want to remove. Double-check the last few digits or identifying details shown for that payment method so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. This is particularly important if one of your active subscriptions still depends on a specific payment option. Once you've identified the correct payment method, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu usually opens additional actions related to that payment option. From there, select Delete. This tells the system that you want to remove that saved payment method from your account. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental changes, so read the message on screen and make sure you're removing the intended payment method before proceeding. Once confirmed, the payment method should disappear from your saved payment list. And that's it. Your selected payment method has now been removed from GeForce Now. As a final tip, if you have an active membership, make sure another valid payment method is available if needed, so your service isn't interrupted. Keeping your billing information current can help avoid failed payments and account issues later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.